What factors contribute to DeepSeek v3's superior performance compared to other AI models? DeepSeek v3 currently stands as the best open-source AI model, decisively outperforming competitors such as Llama 3.1405b, Qwen, and Mistral in benchmarks. Remarkably, it is on par with leading closed-source models like OpenAI's GPT-4o and Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Not only does it excel in performance, but it was also trained at an astonishingly low cost of $576 million, significantly less than its counterparts. For example, GPT-4 reportedly cost hundreds of millions of dollars to train, showcasing DeepSeek v3's efficiency. Furthermore, it offers unparalleled inference speed and can be hosted inexpensively, making it an ideal choice for organizations of all sizes. Who decides a company's development path? Liang Wenfeng and the leadership team at DeepSeek set the overarching strategic direction. The actual development path is a result of a complex interplay between these various stakeholders, market forces, technological possibilities, and regulatory frameworks. The unique aspect of DeepSeek, incubated by a quant fund with a focus on pure AI research rather than immediate commercialization, adds an additional layer to this dynamic, emphasizing innovation over short-term profit. Long-term vision versus short-term gains. Wenfeng's deep thinking involves a long-term vision for AI that might not align with immediate financial profitability but rather with advancing human knowledge and capability through AI. Cultural shift in AI development. He's advocating for a cultural shift in how AI is developed in China, moving from a model of rapid scaling of existing technologies to genuine, groundbreaking innovation. Ethical and accessibility considerations. With open-source models, Wenfeng is contributing to discussions on AI ethics, accessibility, and the democratization of technology, which are becoming central themes in AI development worldwide. What aspects determine the development of AI industry? The development path of the AI industry in the future will likely be influenced by a combination of various stakeholders. 1. Government and regulatory bodies. Governments around the world will play a significant role through legislation, regulation, and funding. They can set ethical guidelines, privacy laws, and safety standards that AI developers must adhere to. For example, the European Union's AI Act aims to ensure AI systems are safe, transparent, ethical, and respect fundamental rights. 2. Technology companies. Major tech corporations currently at the forefront of AI research, like Google, Microsoft, xAI, and others, drive innovation by investing in research and development. These companies not only create AI technologies but also influence the direction of AI through their product offerings, business models, and partnerships. 3. Research institutions and academia. Universities and research labs contribute foundational research that shapes the future of AI. Their work often leads to breakthroughs in machine learning, neural networks, and other AI technologies, which then trickle down to industry applications. 4. Venture capital and investors. Funding from venture capitalists and investors can dictate which AI projects and startups get to scale. Investment trends can steer the industry towards certain applications or technologies that are seen as promising or lucrative. 5. Ethics and NGO groups. Ethical considerations, pushed by non-profits, ethicists, and advocacy groups, are increasingly impacting AI development. These groups advocate for responsible AI, focusing on issues like bias, transparency, and the societal impact of AI systems. 6. Public opinion and consumer demand. As AI becomes more integrated into daily life, public acceptance, privacy concerns, and consumer needs will influence what kind of AI products and services are developed. Markets will respond to consumer demands for AI in areas like healthcare, personalized education, or entertainment. 7. International collaboration or competition. Global cooperation or competition in AI can lead to different development paths. For instance, international agreements might focus on shared goals like combating climate change with AI, while competitive landscapes might accelerate technological innovation in areas like autonomous vehicles or cybersecurity. 8. Industry consortia and standards bodies. Groups that work on setting standards for AI can influence how AI technologies are developed and deployed across industries to ensure interoperability, security, and ethical use. The AI value chain. There are one AI chip and hardware makers who are looking to power all the AI applications that will be woven into the fabric of organizations big and small globally. 2. To the cloud platform and infrastructure providers who will host the AI applications. 3. The AI algorithmic and cognitive services building block makers who provide the vision recognition, speech, and deep machine learning predictive models to power AI applications. 4. Enterprise solution providers whose software is used in customer, HR, and asset management and planning applications. 5. Industry vertical solution providers who are looking to use AI to power companies across sectors such as healthcare to finance. 6. Corporate takers of AI who are looking to increase revenues, drive efficiencies, and deepen their insights. And finally, 7. Nation-states who are looking to embed AI into their national strategies and become AI-enabled countries. From a business perspective, it is important to moderately protect existing interests when there are already benefits in the AI chain. The emergence of DeepSeek has sparked divergent opinions among various stakeholders, with differing perspectives largely rooted in competing interests. The emergence of DeepSeek has ignited a complex debate across the tech ecosystem, with perspectives diverging sharply based on stakeholders' vested interests. For instance, industry giants like NVIDIA have expressed skepticism, viewing specialized AI frameworks like DeepSeek as potential disruptors to their dominance in GPU-driven AI infrastructure. A senior NVIDIA executive recently cautioned, while innovation is welcome, fragmented solutions risk destabilizing the scalability of AI ecosystems. Similarly, OpenAI has raised concerns about the long-term interoperability of niche platforms, arguing that proprietary advancements could fragment open-source collaboration, a cornerstone of modern AI progress. In stark contrast, Chinese stakeholders have largely embraced DeepSeek with enthusiasm. Domestic tech conglomerates like Alibaba and Tencent see it as a strategic lever to reduce reliance on Western hardware and accelerate self-sufficient AI development. Government-backed think tanks have hailed it as a leap toward technological sovereignty, aligning with Beijing's broader ambitions for supply chain resilience. Meanwhile, Chinese startups are leveraging DeepSeek's cost-efficient architecture to compete globally, framing it as a democratizing force in an industry long dominated by US tech titans. This dichotomy underscores how geopolitical rivalries and market positioning shape perceptions of innovation, a reminder that in the AI race, technological merit often dances to the tune of vested interests. Avoid excessive noise. Absorb neutral perspectives. First picture. The transcript of Lex Fridman podcast number 459 focuses on the latest advances in the field of artificial intelligence, AI, specifically the competition in AI hardware and software between China's DeepSeek model, OpenAI, Google, xAI, Meta, Anthropic, and others. The conversation also touched on the role of NVIDIA and TSMC in the semiconductor industry, as well as the technological competition and geopolitical implications between the US and China. The discussion delved into the training of AI models, the cost of inference, hardware limitations, the importance of open-source models, and the potential impact of AI on the future of society and the military. Second picture, all in podcast key takeaways. AI and open-source models. Open-source models may accelerate the popularization of AI, but they also raise intellectual property and security issues. Government efficiency. The creation of DOGE department signaled the US government's attempt to deal with the deficit by cutting spending and increasing efficiency. Autonomous driving. As the cost of AI falls, autonomous driving technology will become more ubiquitous and have a profound impact on urban planning and energy demand. US-China technology competition. China's rapid development in AI and semiconductors poses a challenge to the US, which needs to stay ahead of the curve in terms of technological innovation and intellectual property protection. AI for me. Maximization of personal interests. AI workflow automation is an innovative fusion of AI and automation technologies. In other words, it uses AI algorithms with workflow systems to automate complex tasks. Think about a human resources department. For hiring, they have to sort through a stack of applications, select the best applicants, and schedule interviews. Automated AI workflows do this in a fraction of the time, allowing HR professionals to focus on high-level tasks such as ensuring the right fit and onboarding successfully. AI technologies offer a plethora of ways to enhance personal enjoyment through creative outlets like art, music, and storytelling. Here's how you can leverage AI for these purposes. Art creation. AI art generators. Tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, or Stable Diffusion can generate images from textual descriptions. You can create anything from surreal landscapes to personalized portraits, providing a unique way to express or visualize ideas. Music composition. AI music tools. Platforms like AIVA, Boomi, or even features in apps like GarageBand on iOS devices can help compose music. You can input your preferences in genre, mood, or instrument, and the AI can generate compositions or assist in creating your own. By integrating AI into your creative process, you can explore new dimensions of art, music, and storytelling, making your leisure time both productive and enjoyable.